Hi, my name is Shereen and I'm from JK Lucent. This is the first video that I'm trying to do here today, and so I am a little bit nervous trying to sit in front of a video to do this. But yeah, basically what I wanted to do was just talk about what Agile is. And I know Agile is a term that's been quite largely used in industries at the moment. So I just thought it might be a good topic and a small topic to start off with. So what is Agile? Agile is an interactive approach to project management and software development that help teams to deliver value to their customer faster. Simply said, so that's pretty much what Agile stands in a nutshell. There are Agile methodologies and steps involved, so just want to briefly go through what the methodology is. So Agile methodology is a way to manage project by breaking it up into several phases. It involves constant collaboration with stakeholders and continuous development at every stage. So that's just the methodology. There are steps that are involved in Agile methodologies, and I can start off with starting with number one, which is project planning. This is something that's done at the start of a project. The team should understand what the end goal is or what the value is that it brings to the organization or the client. And in that stage, also how we can, how well can we achieve this outcome. So that kind of all goes into the project planning phase. The next phase would be like coming up with a project roadmap. This is something that gets created at the initial stage of the project. So that is all done with the key stakeholders and the involvement from the project team. The next step will be the project planning phase. This is to help the project team plan product increments, get released into the market, and when it has to be released. So this is where they kind of go through the planning and see how we can better achieve the project. Then the next few are ceremonies that kind of is run by a scrum team, I would say. So the first thing as a scrum team would do is sprint planning. Sprint planning is done to help project teams define what they can deliver in a sprint and how to work on achieving this. So planning is where the whole team would get involved, the product owners would get involved, the development team would get involved, architects and so on. So they're all involved in this phase called sprint planning. Then the next kind of ceremony or cadence would be the daily stand-ups. The daily stand-up is something where the involvement of the product owners there, the development teams there, the testing team members are there, and also which is kind of led by the Scrum Master. In this daily stand-up, the team would come about and share, what has been done yesterday, what they're intending to work on today, and raise any blockers and issues that has come about in the work that they've chosen to do as part of the sprint. So that's what daily stand-up would be. The other key ceremony would be the sprint review, or some call it sprint showcase. So this is something that would come up at the end of a sprint, where the team is able to showcase of what has been built, tested, and will be delivered into production. So this is the time where the team can actually show off what they've done and also get feedback from stakeholders and other interested parties. Whereas here it will be an organization or the client who has given us the piece of work. So that's the sprint review or showcase, you call it. The last step into a Scrum team ceremony would be a sprint retrospective. Retrospective is purely within the team. So this is when all the team members would get together at the end of the sprint, obviously after the showcase is done, and they would get together and kind of discuss all the things that have been done well, things that could have been done better, and continue on things that has progressed really, keep doing the things that they had had no issues with. So in the ceremony, in this space, the team has to be open and pretty much transparent, to share all the hiccups they had, share all the good things they had, and it's kind of a collaborative time within the team. So that's kind of what Sprint Retro would actually be. And this, whatever comes out of this retros is what we will try and make better in the next sprint. So that is the whole purpose of having a sprint retro. So in a nutshell, that is pretty much pretty much what an agile methodology is, and what are all the steps involved. I appreciate everybody who's watching this. I am and still a little bit nervous, and forgive me if I have made any errors. But like I said at the start of the video, this is the first one, and as I progress, I will make improvements. Thank you for watching.